Fallacy is a type of argument that uses some kind of error in reasoning. There are many errors that may be used to try to persuade you to believe an argument. Here's an example. People live longer now than 100 years ago. People listen to more rock and roll now than 100 years ago. Listening to rock and roll makes you live longer.
Well, the first and second statements, the premises, are true. There's no reason to think that one causes the other. There are many other reasons why people live longer now than they used to. Therefore, in this case, the conclusion is not supported.
Let's look at another example. Sharif's point is wrong because Sharif is a fool. Parvati says X, so it must be true. The first argument attacks Sharif's character rather than his argument. We do not know whether Sharif's point is wrong or even whether Sharif is a fool. All we see is that the speaker insults Sharif rather than giving a good reason why his point is wrong. Similarly, the second argument promotes Parvati rather than her argument. We do not know what Parvati says is true because the speaker has not given any evidence to support her statement.
Here's one more example. No one has proved that space aliens do not exist. Therefore, space aliens exist. The premise of this argument is true, but the conclusion does not follow. Think of the opposite argument. No one has proved that space aliens exist. Therefore, space aliens do not exist. Both premises are true, so how can we say which conclusion is true? We cannot use a lack of evidence to demonstrate a conclusion.
When thinking about whether an argument is a fallacy or not, consider the evidence used to support the claims being made. Are the premises based on sound reasoning? Do the conclusions follow from the premises? Are the alternative conclusions that are also potentially valid? These questions will help you think critically about arguments and identify whether they are fallacies.